Hey everyone, this is Hanil.
This is Jinil.
So it's been 2 months since we are married right now, and today we are going to talk about our life after marriage. What all changes have
Yeah.
been till
Be
now.
it good or be it bad, but what
Yeah.
are the changes? Yeah.
Correct, yeah.
So, I mean, it's not like we are staying from 2 months together. We have been dating from quite some time now, and then we got married. But let us know if you want to know our story on how we
Yeah.
started dating each other, and then what was the story behind all of this.
Yes, it will be interesting. Yeah.
Yeah.
So we'll start with the good things or good changes that we have seen in ourselves in the past couple of months after marriage.
Maybe why don't you start with it?
Okay. Yeah, so I have couple of things to add here. First is obviously the skincare routine which has changed. First, I mean all the boys and the bachelors will relate ki we didn't have any sort of routine. We pick any
Routine जाने दो. They would have
Routine.
just a hand soap which they would use for face as well.
yeah. You don't have to tell all details.
Emotional damage.
yeah. So normal face wash या body soap जो भी है, we use that on our whole body and that too on our face as well. So we didn't have much info पहले तो कि क्या use करना है for face and are those separate or not. तो भाई वो use किया. So after marriage now I have a separate body wash.
Variety of products that he could use and he could try, explore.
Most of them are hers obviously, but now they are ours.
हाँ.
So yeah, I use face wash, I use cleanser.
You
I use
should be
body
like
wash.
very much, grateful for me that I'm letting you use my skincare products.
Okay, I am. Yes, so that's what I was telling. That I use face wash now, I use cleanser, I use body wash.
Sorry, but one thing is, even I don't use double cleansing, but he does now. He would want a cleanser and then face wash.
Yes, a routine which you taught me. So yeah, I'm grateful for that.
Yeah. So one good thing is that earlier when we were just in the dating phase, we used to meet and then it was like, very sad moment at the time when we were departing. And it was like that when we will meet the next time. Now again it will be a long distance relationship. But now 24/7, all days, we get to stay by side to each other. So that's a good thing. And it feels really good to stay together.
I would say it's a common feeling for me as well. Yeah.
Yeah. That's one thing.
Yes. Okay. So the another good thing I would say which has improved in me is I have a fixed sleeping routine. I would say now because पहले I'm a big football fan. So firstly I used to watch late night matches. 12 1 बजे it will start and end at 3:30.
3, 4.
Yeah, and then I used to sleep and then I used to go for work next day. But now we have the atmosphere in our home कि 8:30 तक will be done by dinner. उसके बाद we'll complete the pending household chores by 9:30 max and we'll tuck in our bed at 9:30 to 10 p.m. sharp with lights off, with
Good like soothing music, lights off, and
full speed of
full
fan.
max speed and fan.
And also since it's winter, you tend to get more sleep in winter. So yeah, the temperature gets very cold, the room gets very cozy.
Yeah, it's so cozy that even when he wants to be awake and chill for some time, he will be in a mood to just sleep with me.
Yes, and her sleep timings are fixed, I would say. She sleeps by 11 p.m. So for me to chill or watch the match which starts at 12 a.m. it's very tough. So the max time I would say I stay awake after she sleeps is 30-35 minutes.
Yeah, and one fun thing about myself is that I have been in the partial side of adulting. मतलब कि when we were kids, at that time we saw our parents के भाई जल्दी सो जा रहे हैं, जल्दी उठ रहे हैं. So now I am in that state जहाँ पे मैं जल्दी सो रही हूँ but मैं जल्दी उठ नहीं पा रही हूँ. So
Yeah.
my sleep hours are pretty long, and that is what
10.
he is also now following, I think.
Yeah.
But
Firstly, I used to get 6 hours of sleep and I was
he was very pretty fine with
Fine
6
with
hours
that.
of sleep, but
now I sleep for 9 to 10 hours and I still want more sleep thanks to her.
yeah. Yeah, so that's one thing that has changed.
That has changed, yeah,
Yeah.
sleeping routine.
So another thing is that earlier when I was staying alone, so I have kind of always been staying alone in flats, in a rented flat. Then I used to be all alone by myself even when I used to do home chores, it would be just me. But now one very good thing is that whether you want to go for some outing or it's just pretty boring home chores, you will always have this sweet company by your side. मतलब कि कुछ भी अगर बोर हो रहा हो, तुम झाड़ू लगा रहे हो and you are just bored, तो you can ask your pretty husband के है नो प्लीज एक बार झाड़ू लगा दो, and you will have a constant company.
In short, she'll divide every work by 50-50.
It's mostly about home chores. It's not like that आज मैं ये करूंगी तू ये कर.
Correct.
It's like we have identified कि किसके क्या spots है, who's more comfortable with what kind of work, and we continue with that.
And I think which is very must for couples wherein both the people are working, and it's very ideal for them to divide the responsibilities. So yeah,
That's
it's must.
correct. Yeah. So when it comes to managing household chores with a company by your side, it's very complacent in together altogether.
Yes, yeah.
So I think I will start with maybe the other side of marriage, how it feels.
Yeah.
So FYI, it's not going to be a war zone. Take it like little.
I'll take it easy.
Yeah.
I have my point as well. Okay, please.
Okay, so just telling like to our audience that how I am as a person, that I have partial OCD or complete OCD kind of complete OCD kind of situation. तो if I would, I mean earlier when I was staying alone, जहाँ पे कुछ गंदा हो गया हो, like some spot is not okay and all, I would need to fix it immediate कि भाई ये ठीक नहीं है, इसको अभी करो. Like if I'm just moving and I have like a pinch of dust in my finger, I will feel like इसको पूरा झाड़ू पोछा करके सब you will have to clean.
Yeah, one thing to add, even if she leaves for office and if she's getting super late, kitchen में कुछ दिख गया कि यार this is tidy, she'll go clean that and then run for office, even if she's getting say super late.
हाँ, so I would have like my tiffin bag, my office bag, and मैं उसको वो spot को clean करते
She will not tell me कि यार Henil वो कर दे, because she
I
knows
would know,
कि
then I have to supervise that is that completely done or not.
yeah.
So yeah, that's the situation with me. And now when I am staying with him, तो क्या होता है that I'm cleaning like a certain room, certain spot, and then I go move to the next room. तो जहाँ पे ये बैठा है, now that place is also not like it's again जो जहाँ पे वापस cleaning करना पड़ेगा. तो it feels like एक खत्म करो, दूसरी जगह पे जाओ, and you will find that even more in a worse situation. तो you will have to keep telling this guy also कि भाई वो clean कर दे. Then example when he goes for shower, तो पहले when we just moved in together, उसको एक sort of training देना पड़ा था that how do you know clean the washroom after you take shower. उसको पूरा wipe करो, you dry out things and all of that basic sanity.
Yes.
Yeah, so that's one kind of
Which I have adopted.
हाँ, that gradually.
Yeah.
And yeah, so that's kind of, I think it would be mostly like this in most of the couples where the girl sided is like much more into cleaning and the guys are
लौंडे नहीं करते.
guys are like this only. So it's another one point.
Yes. So, I mean, the next point I would like to add in, say, sort of bad things which we have seen. So, I obviously, as I mentioned earlier, I'm sleeping more now after the marriage. So, to gradually decrease that fact, I have started gym recently. So, उसमें भी I asked her before starting the gym, कि यार I'll go in the morning. I'll not go in the evening. I'll go in the morning.
Morning's definition is literally different and it's very subjective from person to person. In
Okay.
my defense.
Okay. So the moment I asked her, I asked her morning. She said, हाँ ठीक है morning चलेगा. I'm fine. Because मुझे पता था कि she will not want me to go gym in the early
Evenings.
morning. Yeah.
अच्छा.
In the early morning.
हाँ.
Because she wants to sleep. She wants to sleep peacefully. Now, fast forward it to the day when I have to go to the gym. I tell her a night before that, yeah, I'm keeping an alarm of 6:30 because I have to go gym in the early. It was 10:30 in the night before. She was like 6:30. So what Genial feels is उसको pressure आ जाता है. If
I'll explain how I am again in that kind of situation. That if I know that मुझे कल 6 बजे उठना है, 5 बजे उठना है, so I cannot literally sleep the entire night thinking alarm बज जाएगा. Now 4 more hours to go, 5 hours to go, 3 hours to go. So thinking all of that, I just cannot sleep.
उसके दिमाग में timer बजता है. So yes, I kept an alarm of 6:30. उसने मुझे बोल दिया कि हाँ रख दे. Let's see how it goes on the first day. 6:30 I kept an alarm. It was 6:20 in the morning. ये उठती है and she asked me, "Hello, it's 6:30. Your alarm will soon beep in 10 minutes. Please you wake up and go outside the room." I was like, "What is this?" He said, "फिर मुझे alarm बज जाएगा, मुझे नींद नहीं आएगी, तू जा." So yeah, this sleeping routine is sort of one bad thing which has happened, but gradually I'll just move this thing and make it a routine cycle for me.
Okay. So now it's that time of the video where we want to tell things about each other. Maybe we haven't spoken one-on-one till yet to each other, but I think we can do it with our audience. Maybe not a good thing, bad thing. Yeah, confession or general observation about
Okay.
each other, that how we are as a person from a second person's
This is
perspective.
going to be interesting.
Yeah. So do you want to start with it?
No, you can start.
Okay, fine. So I would want like you guys to know how Henel is as a person. So if you come in his good books, he will try to, he will do all things to get you so much comfortable. मतलब just an example कि even if he has 100 things to do and then you just are lying on bed and अगर आपको पानी भी पीना है, he will drop all his ongoing activities, he will come and give water to you कि तू मत खड़ी हो, मैं लाता हूँ. So he is that kind of person, very patient, never ever, he would not try to explain a lot of things that what is the situation at his end. मतलब when you shout at him, he would never ever try defending that अरे but मैं यहाँ पे busy था. And also one like for n number of years that we have been dating and staying together, when I message him, it takes, guys, this is literally so amazing, it doesn't even take a minute. मतलब आज तक कभी, even if he is in some meeting, he would respond you back that I am in a meeting, I'll call you, I'll text you later. So I have never ever waited for more than a minute. अगर कुछ initially when we started dating ऐसे होता था कि he used to sleep, मतलब he is watching some match and used to sleep, but then we have had our initial fights at that time. उसके बाद से अभी तक like it has never been like that. He keeps the other person always at the priority. He is one such kind of person. I think he is very overwhelmed कि इतनी अच्छी बातें तो मेरे लिए अभी face to face नहीं. So he's that kind of person, and I feel that me being one such person who's very aggressive and impatient at things, having him by my side, it kind of naturally balances us. If I am at this end, he is completely to that end, and he has been a lot of patient with me also, because at times my anger
Salute, man.
yeah, so I think that is how he is, and I am like literally grateful to have him.
Oh my word.
I think he is blushing or crying.
A few moments later.
There was a genuine pause in here between the two shots. ठीक है.
Okay. I'm not sure if I'll be able to match this sort
No,
of.
even I did. I was not able to exactly put it into words, but yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. I just tried.
Yeah. Okay. So I mean, if I have to describe to you guys what she is as a person, she is a sort of person who will obviously do everything for her family, for me, for all the members in her family. She will try to keep herself in their shoes to see how and what they actually are right now, how will they feel, and if I have to explain you in one line, कि she will think कि यार अगर मैं उनको ये बोलूँगी तो how they will think, considering कि भाई वो उनकी जगह पे है, so she will not tell anything in a way कि भाई वो सामने वाला ज़्यादा overthink करे, सामने वाला ऐसा बोले कि यार भाई
That is limited to, by the way, my parents, but इसके साथ ऐसा नहीं होता. अगर कहीं पे we are in some public place, इसको मेरे को पकड़ना पड़ता है just to
झगड़ा हो
avoid
जाता.
some fight. He's
हाँ.
like, I am very short. मतलब my height is 4'11". तो this guy is literally holding me कि तू जाके पंगा मत ले लेना उधर. So as you can see, I am very vocal. He is that soft kind of person. We are the quite opposites.
Quite opposites, and yeah, opposites do attract, and we are sort of finding a balance in ourselves. I think this is something जो with time improve होता जाएगा. I will, obviously adopt some traits. She will try to adopt my traits.
And I have also read somewhere that when couples do stay together like this, they eventually, kind of become siblings. मतलब same जैसे हो जाते हैं, because we kind of then balance each other's traits.
Correct, yeah. So we will have few things in common. Say if we talk on this topic 5 years down the line.
Yeah.
Good topic to end.
Yes. Okay.
Thanks. Cheers, guys.
Bye.
Bye bye.